Yo, we're gonna blow up in one video using the easiest method that I came up with. I don't know why people haven't figured this out yet, but today I'm gonna show you the real way to make a viral YouTube thumbnail that'll actually explode your channel. Look at my channel, for example. This picture of a fucking cartoon frog gained me over 80,000 plus views in just one video, and I'll show you exactly how you can make that one simple adjustment to your thumbnail that will finally blow up your channel, so take notes. A shitty but eye-catching thumbnail will always get you more views than a cleanly edited but generic thumbnail. The people who understand this are dangerous on YouTube for a very simple but life-changing reason. Just look at finance YouTubers, specifically the Grow on YouTube niche. They all have the same thumbnails, same titles, and same videos, and that's why 99% of them get no views, because they don't catch the eye of the viewer. Here's an example. If you saw an alien right now, it would immediately catch your eye, and you would be extremely interested in this said alien and would want to know more. It's because you've never seen one in your life before, right? But if you and I saw aliens every single day, it would just be a normal occurrence to see aliens on a daily basis. This is exactly the same as seeing the same kind of thumbnails on YouTube. They just don't catch your eye. But the successful channels like mine and my Patreon members that stick out and are alien will immediately catch your eye, just like the alien analogy I explained earlier. So start being an alien and start courting attention to your videos by utilizing unique thumbnails. Trust me, they do not need to be clean. Now that we have an alien-like thumbnail, I have to warn you about this. Just because you're being unique doesn't mean you have to put in 1,000 elements in your thumbnail. Less is more. The human eye can only handle so much information, and if your thumbnail is overcrowded and convoluted, your potential viewers / customers will end up just not clicking on your video because there's no clear message within your thumbnail. So if you're a beginner, I'd recommend sticking to a maximum of these 4 elements in your thumbnail. Your background, which shouldn't be too distracting. It should be a little bland to make the main image pop out. A main image, this is going to be an image that shocks the viewer and makes them interested in the video. Be weird, be wacky, be like an alien. Secondary pointers, this could be an arrow, a circle that highlights something within your main image, etc. And last, but in my opinion, least is text. The less text, the better in my experience. Just look at my most popular video. It got 80,000 plus views with a picture of a fucking frog and some YouTube analytics. Hence why I say a shitty thumbnail is infinitely better than a generic but good looking thumbnail. If you've taken down notes and used my tips, you're ahead of the curve, but there's something important that you should know. YouTube is essentially a numbers game, so you need to make multiple thumbnails. You need to be constantly testing. When you have a new video fresh out the oven ready to upload, do this to double and even triple your success chance. Make at least 4 to 5 completely different thumbnails, I'm telling you right now, and test them with your title on thumbsup.tv. Screenshot each thumbnail and title and ask around and see which one people like the best. Ask people on Discord, Reddit, your friends, etc., and try to get their unbiased feedback. It's even better if they don't know it's your video. That way you'll get a more honest answer. So ask around and split test your thumbnails before uploading your video. Look at the difference between these 2 thumbnails from one of my Patreon members I do one-on-one consultings with. This one got no views at all, but this one that I made for him got 2,000 views. Let's look at another example from another one of my VIP members. He has great videos, but terrible thumbnails. He went from 20 to 40 views with these thumbnails to 6.5k views on this video and 3.1k views on this video, and he's steadily growing his channel and is on his way to getting monetized. And the best part is, these were simple fixes. All you need to do is slightly become an anomaly, or alien for lack of better terms. If you need help with thumbnails, book a consultation with me, you won't regret it. But look, the truest definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. All you're doing is wasting valuable time that could be used spending time with friends, family, or doubling down and making more viral videos with my tips. If you keep doing the same thing, I can't stress this enough, you are slowly killing your chances of blowing up on YouTube and making real online money. It's possible to make a living online, on YouTube, or any other business venture you get into. Just make sure you're not doing the same thing over and over again. Be brave and try new things. You lose literally nothing by doing this, and you have everything to gain. If you're smart, you'll book a consultation with me and I'll get you right. So if you want me to help you grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out my VIP section on Patreon. You get one-on-one calls with me personally for any questions you have, personalized help with thumbnails, video retention, etc., and 10-minute plus video responses to any questions you may have. And you can see what my awesome Patreon members have said about me with these little testimonials I put in the description. And if you really just want to level up your YouTube channel and you want a second pair of eyes to tell you what you should or should not do, definitely book a consultation call with me today. That's all I got to say today. Have a good day. Peace.